Lulu, what do you think of your blanket? You like it? Is it really snuggly? Yeah. It's so comfy in there. So sweet. My dog likes to burrow. And she loves blankets. And this is just really nice. Makes her feel like she is a little princess, which she is. And here it is. Really pretty little blanket, cute little paw prints, and I absolutely love it. And so does she. You like this? Do you like it? Where's your whoopee? Bradley, where's your whoopee? Here, Riley. Get the whoopee. Get the whoopee.
Okay, so this blanket is basically no thicker than a sheet. I mean, it's like a little towel. I'm not too impressed with the printing job that they've done on here, but the size of it, I'm going to be returning it. I'm not even taking it out of the package. It's not going to be worth my time.
Shaking up the justice system and sending them on a wild goose chase. I'd rather be punished for that than